Hello, I'm Uzair. I would like to share my latest blog post, Local Video Marketing Tips and Strategies, which has just been published on SEM Rush. This blog post is all about video marketing and how you can get started. Whether you run a small business or a multinational or in charge of marketing for any size of business, video marketing is something which every business should leverage. Currently, not many people or businesses are using video marketing. So, if you start right now, you are going to have a great advantage over your competitors. So, in this blog post, I'm going to share my tips, tricks, insights, and how we use video for marketing our business and what strategies you need to use. So, during this blog post, you'll see and learn how to promote your videos using the organic or the free way or the paid way. Uh, so you can run ads on YouTube, Facebook, or any other social media channel if you wish. But organically, it will take a little bit more work and a bit more time. But if you wish to promote your videos straight away in a matter of hours or a day or two, then the paid way is the best way to reach out. You'll also see how to upload your videos the right way onto YouTube and how to do your keyword research, target low competition keywords, how to title, put the description up, and tag your videos. Then I talk a little bit about Google Ads and running ads on YouTube with your videos, and these are the paid ads. And in here, I discuss my favorite strategy as to how I set up my campaigns and what type of videos you can run on YouTube. So there are a variety of videos. These are the skippable video ads which you see, which appear before the video runs, and you can skip them after 5 seconds. Then there are non-skippable video ads. There are bumper ads. And I've shown and given examples or real life examples of our client videos so you can see how we set up and run these campaigns for our clients. Then you see the type of videos and what you need to put in a video. Then you see the types and the kinds of videos you can create to promote your business. For branding, meet the team videos are great so that your audience can see who your team are, and they are very popular. And the thing with these videos is you don't need to spend a lot of money. You can create these videos just using your smartphone and upload them the right way and run the campaigns in the right manner, and you are going to see a lot of views on your YouTube channel. And then I'll give an example of how we use the videos on the About Us page for one of our clients. This is an example of a video which we shot for Nikon's IC Live advertising campaign. Then the other type of videos are explainer videos, product demo, or software walkthrough videos, also very popular, where you give real value and showcase your expertise, know-how, and experience in any topic or subject. So here's a video of mine similar to this one, where I go through the campaign setup for Google AdWords. Another very popular type of videos are behind the scenes. People are always curious as to what happens behind the scenes. So if you've got a photo shoot or if you are setting up an event, it's always great to just shoot some footage, put up a little video on it, shoot some time lapse as well with it, put them together and create an interesting video. One of the most powerful videos which you can create for your business are client testimonial videos. So you ask your clients, can you send us a video testimonial, put it together and run it as a video ad. So you learn all of these types of videos in this blog post. And at the end, I also show you how you can shoot professional quality videos using your smartphone and with equipment costing less than £100. So that's it for this one. Click the link around the video somewhere here, and you'll go straight to the blog post and read everything you need to know about how to promote your business, products, or services to generate new leads or sales using video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.